Gujarat government offers 1000 acres to Tesla for set electric car manufacturing unit. The doctor who discovered that hand washing prevents the spread of disease was thrown in a mental institution for his crazy ideas. Japan has a network of roads that play music as you drive over them at the correct speed. More sky window turns into balcony to give small apartment outdoor experience. Japanese scientists successfully created a MRI machine that can record your dreams and reconstruct them for you to watch while you are awake. This is 4000 years old shivling at the hill of Tara located near the river Boyne in Ireland. Elon Musk runs a school where grades and traditional classes don't exist. It's an experimental school where 7 to 14-year-olds all study together in one class. They learn coding, gamification, AI, ethics, how to run their own companies, and freedom to blow up things in chemistry. Rare picture of one of the most intelligent men and women to be ever lived on earth, Albert Einstein and Marie Curie in the same frame. Two Korean students made a raft out of potato chip bags to prove they have too much air in them. This is the last book written by Stephen Hawking, Brief Answers to Big Questions, in which he has written that there is no God and no one directs the universe. Everyone knows about Charles Darwin and his theory of natural selection, but do you know that Charles Darwin ate every animal he discovered? Whenever he used to see strange animals, he often wondered what they would taste like, and this made him eat them very strange. The little piece of paper sticking out of Hershey's Kisses is called Negley Wiggly. Henry Lucas refused to join his partner Otis Toole in eating a human leg that he filleted and barbecued. His reason: I don't like barbecue sauce. Drinking 2 cups of cold water on empty stomach can boost metabolism by 30%. 1954, man arrived from Tokyo airport. He had passport issued by a country named as Tauret, which did not exist. He had visa of all countries and said his count is 1000 years old. Police locked him in a high secure room and he vanished. Experts said he came from the parallel universe. I dream of a day where I walk down the street and hear people talk about morality, sustainability, and philosophy instead of the Kardashians, said by Keanu Reeves. Brad Pitt's first job was at an El Pollo Loco restaurant on Sunset Boulevard, where he had to dance in a chicken suit to attract customers. A car company has made the first ever transparent car. It is totally made of high density heavy duty glass with no paint used. It is said to be stronger and more secure than ongoing cars in the market. This bin in Denmark, especially made for cyclists. 1977, a Chinese woman, Tu Youyou, with no medical degree, anonymously found a malaria cure. 38 years later, she awarded the Nobel Prize for Medicine. The opposite of deja vu is jamaisu. This happens when you experience something you recognize but feel extremely unfamiliar with. It can also happen when seeing a person you know or reading a word you have seen many times before. World's highest tennis court is in Dubai, which is at 650 feet above the ground. Sleep paralysis is a condition which someone can't see, move, and only hear the surroundings while sleeping. They also feel the presence of an evil spirit or pressure on their chests. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Stay foolish with me.